Hello, hello. Welcome to today's video. I have the new Westman Atelier HydroBalms. I purchased 4 of them. I wanted to do a little bit of variety in a sense, so hopefully I chose wisely. So in today's video, I'll share the details with you. We will swatch, we will apply, and we will see. So let's get into it, shall we? Let's hydrate and begin. The HydroBalm is marketed as a hydrating balm lipstick hybrid, and it's meant to give sheer color with a comfortable, nourishing feel. Not heavy, not opaque, and more of that polished, your lips but better kind of vibes. Packaging definitely feels very Westman Atelier. Minimal but luxe, weighty but not bulky. It's that clean aesthetic the brand is known for. So I purchased these direct from westmanatelier.com and they arrived quickly, packaged beautifully per usual. And the 4 shades that I got, let me organize myself here, please hold, is, like I said, I tried to do variety in a sense. So let's start off with Ballerine. This is a sheer cool peony. I always love this little detail right here, but we have this gorgeous baby blue packaging. Again, this is the shade Ballerine. Here she is. Now, we don't have a little mirror under here because Gucci Westman said you don't need it. I'm cool with that. So this is the bullet all the way up. So that's all the product that you get. And hello, refill. And it's magnetic. Beautiful. Thank you. Next up is English Rose, and this is described as a sheer winter rose. Something else I want to point out, because I'm just into all those little details and I want to share this experience with you. But on the underside, you have the color as well that matches the tone of your lipstick. So English Rose. Now, really quick, we'll get into the details and all the things in just a moment. Side by side, you can see English Rose is a bit darker and Ballerine, she's lighter. Ballerine is the one that has these very micro little glitters. And honestly, right now I'm not seeing them, but in direct sunlight, I'm able to pick up on them. They're so gorgeous, but they look very fine. Obviously, I haven't tried it yet, but it looks like it's just going to allow your lips to look a lot more juicy. All right, next up is Bob. And Bob is described as a sheer flushed rosewood. Now, Bob is actually Gucci Westman's pet's name. I thought that was so cute. As a dog mom myself, I love that. It's so cute. So here is Bob. See, I told you, I went with shades that give a bit of a variety across the line. The only tone that I didn't grab is because in reality, it's not a shade that I wear, is red. So yeah. Okay, next is Soda. Soda is described as a sheer cool cocoa. Look at this gorgeous goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's pretty. Let's jump into swatches so we can see the tone differences and then I'll get into the lip swatches. But as always, timestamps are always listed down below along with everything I talk about today. And if you toggle on the screen, you'll also see them as well if you want to jump ahead or whatever. Or just hang out with me. Okay. All right, so what I've actually done is I've lined my lips, just half of it, with my Westman Atelier lip liner. This is in the shade Mink. And now let's swatch Ballerine. Now remember, we don't have our mirror that I'm sure we've been spoiled with, like with the other Westman Atelier lipstick, which that's pretty cool. Because Gucci Westman said you don't need it. So, okay, interesting. So I'm gonna try applying this with no mirror. I'm gonna wing it. Okay. Hopefully this goes well. And I'm gonna try to stay on one side so I don't mix. Okay. Okay. It feels like a balm. It's got a nice slip to it. Cute. Okay. So that's it without the liner. Now I can look in the mirror and apply it. Because the reality is, with a shade like this, I'd use a liner. I know it was light, and I like light shades. I'm not afraid of concealer lips. Here is Ballerine applied. Again, remember, one side there's no liner, and one side I have liner. I like that this felt like a true balm, but not overly balmy in a sense where it was gliding too much. It was the perfect balance of a lipstick, but in a balm texture. So there was a glide, there was no skipping or gripping or anything like that. I think the finish is a true balmy finish. It doesn't feel overly glossy. It feels very comfortable. It feels very light. It doesn't feel greasy or like it's gonna slip all over and feather out. And I think I want to wait until I finish all of them to determine how these are going to be best worn. So let's move on to our next. All right, English Rose, you're up. Yeah, applying this, it feels like a balm. It's very glides very easily. This one, it's totally giving My Lips But Better. This is nice. This shade is going to be nice for those easy makeup days, for those no makeup days. But you want like a little something. I always find if you dab like a little bit of flush on your cheeks for a little bit of color and some glossy lips, you can get away with doing nothing else. So here is English Rose. This is so soft and pretty. Wow. I'm very happy that I got this color. Yes. This one feels very easy wearing. I like this one a lot, clearly. All right, next up is Bob. Oh, wow. This one is a nice everyday kind of vibes too. Previous was a little pinky. This one's a little bit more, got some warmth to it. Oh, goodness gracious. You just actually want to keep doing this just because it's gliding so nicely. Hello, Bob. No stickiness. There's creamy goodness that doesn't feel heavy. Nice. Okay, we got one more to go. Soda. Soda's supposed to be the darkest. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is fun. Yes. Oh. I feel like to get me to wear colors like this more often, you have to give me formulas like this. Because I have darker lip colors. But I'm extremely specific just because I have drier lips. And I find that so many regular lipsticks, they're just not thinking of us dry lip girlies. You know, we need that nourishment and that glide and that comfort. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is a vibe. This is a vibe. I'm liking this one a lot. And I feel up until this point, all of the other colors felt like, you know, those everydays for those soft glam days. But Soda said, I'm going to give you that glam option. I would totally rock this with a full face, like a nice, more glammed up look. You know what? For fun, let's see how it does when you take a drink, if it transfers. You know, I mean, why not? It didn't say anything about this, but I'm just curious. And if you are too, here goes. Ta-da! So there's that. Texture. Texture is exactly what you think it is. It's a balm, but it's not too soft. It's that perfect medium. It's that happy medium where it's that lipstick glide, but balm texture. Beautiful. I do find these to be that true balm glow versus a glossy gloss, if you will. Westman Atelier has glosses for that, but these are a true balm in finish. Can't speak on longevity just yet, but I would assume that these are just going to be your normal wearing lip products. Bring it with you. Why wouldn't you want to apply this again? It felt amazing. The feel, once they're applied, it just melts and it feels light and it feels hydrating and it feels extremely comfortable. You can rub your lips together. Nothing is sticky, nothing is weird. I feel that the 3 shades that I tried up until Soda, Bob, Ballerine, and English Rose, those are ideal for just your everyday go-tos, okay? But I love that we have Soda as that option for that extra pop for when you want a little bit more. So the versatility is there in a sense. You can have these for your everyday go-to looks, or you have the option for something for glam. I thought I had a favorite. I really genuinely thought I had a favorite. But I can say right now that I do like them all, and they're all going to get used and loved very, very much. If you have a drier lip type, if you like more hydration, but just a touch of color, Your Lips But Better, again, these are balms. They're not intended to be overly pigmented. Westman Atelier has other products for that. And speaking of, I'll just tell you from now, I plan on doing a dedicated video in the From My Collection format, because I have a series like that here on the channel where I go into my collection and break it down versus just overwhelming myself and you with products. So I plan on coming back and sharing with you each category of lip product from Westman Atelier in detail and breaking it down, because she has a few. And I'm so grateful that I've been able to experience them all. I've purchased them all. So I'll come back and share a dedicated video on that. So make sure you're subscribed. Remember I said Ballerine had a little bit of a sparkle in the direct sunlight? Barely there in the swatch. Ballerine and English Rose, you don't need both. If you like a lighter lip that you love wearing a liner with, go with Ballerine. But if you love just an everyday, true Your Lips But Better pinky tone that you can just wear until you can't wear it anymore and you get a refill type of thing, definitely go for English Rose between the two. Now, Bob and Soda, on the other hand, yeah, you're gonna have to get both if you liked those colors. Yeah, those are two different, so you're gonna have to pick. And side by side, English Rose and Bob, totally different. And I thought they looked pretty different on my lips too. It's very fair to say I am very, very happy with the colors that I went with. I'm very happy with the variety. One that's really light, one that's My Lips But Better, one that's a little bit deeper than My Lips But Better, and then my glam Soda. Can't wait to hear what you guys think. Let's talk about it. Comment down below. Thank you for spending a part of your day with me today. If you've enjoyed today's video, please take a moment and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I will see you very, very soon. Bye.